One of the things we commonly hear from patients when they're diagnosed with a thyroid nodule or a thyroid cancer through perhaps their primary care physician is that, oh, thyroid cancer, that's the cancer you want. That's the best cancer to have. Or kind of minimalizing the nature, the seriousness of the disease.
There are no good cancers. Because again, once you get labeled with cancer, that affects you physically, emotionally, spiritually, every way. And so it's one of those things where, oh yeah, it's just thyroid cancer. You take a pill for the rest of your life. There's a lot more to that.
My biggest fear my whole life was to get cancer. And I'm like, I think I could handle anything but that. And it's so funny, but when you're in that situation, it did feel very surreal.
I think I'm a counselor, so I kind of, as Scott said, you do go through that grief because it's scary and it's a loss of a certain way of life. Like his thyroid's gone, so now he'll be on medication throughout his entire life, every day. So, and then as a spouse going through your own grieving. So just recognizing that, the anger, the sadness, everything that you go through, and just getting the help you need through family or whatever kind of support you need.
It is life-changing for a diagnosis. Even though the prognosis in general is very good and the outcomes are very good and there's a lot that we can do to see these patients survive, that there is still seriousness about thyroid cancer. It's not nothing.
We're treating people and working with people on the psychological aspect, and the acceptance piece is a huge piece of people being able to come to terms with their self-image and come to terms with the impact on their lifestyle and move forward.
This isn't one of those things that, oh, it's just thyroid cancer, so you're fine in and out of the hospital. This is something that's going to affect you for the rest of your life.
This is tough, and you're going to go through some tough times, and it's not always going to be easy, and sometimes it's going to be scary, but it's amazing. Like, you realize that you can have cancer and you have all these people that love you, that are all around you, and that you can go on and just do awesome things and feel really, really good and feel like you.